everyone! Today we're gonna make glasses with a 3D pen! So first, you need to sketch out the parts of the glasses, like the side, the front, the middle. So let's do it!
First, I'm drawing 2 big eyes. Make them nice and round. Now, let's add the pupils right in the center.
We're done! Now I need my father's help to on the machine. These are the threads of the 3D pen. You can choose any, but I'm choosing pink. So now my father's gonna help me to keep the thread into this machine. We also have to cut the parts which are tied to it.
This is called filament, the plastic material used by a 3D pen.
Wow, the sound is amazing.
Today I'm using my 3D pen to draw a pair of eyes and glasses. I'll begin by tracing the outline of the first eye. And steady movements help create smooth, neat lines. Now I will draw the second eye, making sure both are perfectly balanced.
Wow.
Now I'm drawing the temples. These are the side arms of the glasses. They rest over your ears and hold the glasses in place.
Wow, we're done! Now, slowly, when it gets cold, we're gonna remove it. Mine is already cold, so let's remove it.
Now it's completely cool and has hardened. I will gently remove each piece one by one from the template. Look how neatly they come off.
And then we have these, and then this, the last one. Now, let's join it.
Now comes the exciting part. Assembling all the pieces, I will join them together one by one. Wow, my glasses are ready. They turned out even better than I imagined. I can't wait to try them on.
No, give me that one. No, give me that one.
I love that.
Okay, let me try it.
No.
Okay, let me try it, please. Okay. How does this look like?
You look funny. Next time you can make this by yourself. Bye. Wait, 1 minute. Bye.